What's good, everyone? It's your girl Sky, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this right now, please leave a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Please, it'll help me. I only have 75 subscribers, so I need that help, please. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing a Halloween makeup video. I really like painting my face for Halloween. I'm not the best. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm not the best, but I try to make it work. So today, I'm honestly not sure what I'm gonna be doing yet, but you'll know in the title, and you'll know, I'll even put it right here, because once I'm done, you'll know what it is, and you'll see pictures of it before. So let me get right into it, okay? Let's get into it. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do a clown. 9 times out of 10, if I'm painting my face, I do a clown, some type of clown. Not sure why I'm like obsessed with clowns, but maybe it's because they're easier to do than like anything else. But that's what we're gonna do, and let's get into it. So I'm gonna make it look like there's a mask on my face. I don't know. I've never tried this before. And I'm also gonna try to make it look like part of my face is like coming through it. I don't know. This might be a disaster, okay? Half of my makeup videos are a disaster, but whatever, we're gonna just try. Okay, so now I'm gonna attempt to cover my eyebrow with glue. Not sure if it'll work, but we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna take my glue, Elmer's glue, and just in upward motions glue down my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, so I let it dry, so I'm gonna go up and do it again. I've never had success when doing this. I don't know, some people make it look like they really don't have an eyebrow, and like I can't do that for some reason. Like, it doesn't work for me. Let that dry. Okay, so now that it's dry, you're gonna take some powder, and usually I would use a sponge, but all my beauty blenders are over there, so I'm gonna use the little thing that comes with it, and just pat that onto your eyebrow. Okay, so now we're gonna try to cover it with concealer. This is where my problem comes in, because for some reason I can never do it, but I have to get my beauty blender. 1 second, y'all. I'm back. Now, this doesn't have to be like too perfect because I'm covering it up. I'm covering it up with white, so I don't know, I kind of did a good job this time. But like, there's still some dark pieces. But it's not really that big of a deal. Period! Alright, so now I'm gonna take my white. This is, I think, grease paint. I got it from Walmart. I need to get better makeup and paint because I actually like doing it, but I feel like the products I use aren't that good, so it never comes out that good. I mean, also because I'm not the best, but I don't know. I got some grease paint and I got some cream paint from Walmart. I'm also gonna use these cheap paint brushes because I don't wanna ruin my good paintbrushes. So hopefully this actually works, or else I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try to go in with the cream paint instead. I don't know how like all these makeup artists do makeup and they use paint, but they make it look like not wet. Like they make it look like it's dry, and I don't know how to do that because I think it's just the product I use. Because I'm literally using Walmart paint. So this is what it looks like so far. Alright, so this is how it looks so far. I'm going to be covering it up with a little bit more white because it's a little bit sheer right now. I'm not going to be doing my lips because I'm just going to be covering it over with other paint, so it's not really worth it. But this is how it looks so far. And let me update you once all of this has been finished because I'm just going back over it with some white. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to start doing the clown makeup, and I don't really know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm gonna find out real quick because I need to start. But now I'm going to I think I'm gonna do 2 X's on my eye, and I'm thinking about doing them in purple. I might do purple and orange. That'd be kind of cool. Yikes. Oh, this looks bad. I think I'm gonna put one down the middle also, probably using maybe red or blue or yellow. feel like red would be a weird color to use with orange and purple, so that's what I'm gonna do. This looks like trash, yeah. I feel like every time I do a video of me doing my makeup, it never turns out good. Like ever. But then if I don't take a video of me doing my makeup, it usually turns out decent. Not good, but decent. This looks awful. I'm just gonna say it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on my contacts and the lashes and then fix up any details that I need to fix up, which there's probably a lot. So I wash my hands before I do this because you need to make sure you wash your hands before you put in contacts. Clearly I'm having a tough time. Bruh, what? And now I'm crying. Period. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my hands again and try to put on the next contact. Okay, everyone, this is the finished look, and honestly, I'm not too mad about it. I spray painted my hair, and I definitely think that I should dye my hair red now. But I'm not happy with how the cracks turned out, but besides that, it's not the worst, but it's not the best. And I don't know, you tell me. You tell me how you think I did in the comments below. Leave any tips that could help me do better in the future, and leave a big thumbs up. Follow me on my social media. I'm probably gonna be posting a picture of this on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.